Everyone is born with nothing in brain firstly. It is like a white blank paper. Later on, we're just filled in different information along the way depending on the life situation. When we get a bit older, we have different ability up to what we have observed and trained. Actually, some people are smart, but some are not. Frankly, I'm sure you are also one of the smart guys in the universe. Why? Because you are a great reader that choose this smart book to sharpen your talent and ability in order to build such great wisdom in life. I exactly know that you have great power inside, it's just only hidden now. Only you don't know. The good news is this book will bring powers up from your body and brain. It probably makes you feel inspired and wonderful when you know the secrets that you have never known in life before. This book is pretty simple. I mean, it's easy for you to understand all the concepts that I have written. And those concepts are very helpful. Even the scholars appreciated that. You are the lucky guy to have this book in hands because you are now investing your time wisely and priceless. I do hope all the tips I have given in this book may bring you a better life and make you smarter. Notice that all the points are practical and really effective for the real use in the whole long life journey. Enjoy with this gorgeous baby to see how potential you are. Have you ever heard a statement, if I have 3-hour time to cut down a big tree, I will spend 2 hours to sharp my axe? Yes, when I first heard, I did not really understand the meaning was. I spent almost 4 years walking on the wrong track, doing business, the result I was seriously failed. I now just found out the meaning of the sentence above. Always plan ahead is the best. It is the meaning of it. Let me ask you a question. Why do people need to have a head, body, and legs? A head is like your plan. Its obligation is to scope the way to walk, goal. Your legs refer to your actions. They will show your destination. And your body is like the result of your plan, goal, and actions. A human being needs these 3 parts to survive, so your life objective also needs plans, goals, actions and result in order to show its success. Yes, I'm here just to let you know life is tough and short, so please use your time wisely in order to meet your life goal and make it happy. Don't waste your time again and again to fail, never win. You are the one who should be deserved a better and the best life. Be sure always plan ahead. You will figure out in details in the following part. If you want the other interesting parts of this book, don't forget to subscribe our channel and leave your comment down below. Thanks and enjoy the next videos with us.